Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. You're watching this video right now. You might be checking out the NordVPN affiliate program. Maybe you're wondering, is this a good way to make money online? Let's check it all out, okay? Maybe there are better ways for you to make money online out there. Let's have a look at this program. Now, anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out the NordVPN affiliate program to see whether this is a good way to make money or a bad way to make money, all right? Now, NordVPN is a very, very popular VPN service, probably, one of the top rated ones in the world, and you can actually resell the program as an affiliate. That means as a referrer or as a partner, right? And you can make commissions every time someone joins through your link. It's really, really cool. So all you need to do is just head over to Google, type out NordVPN affiliate program. You'll see it's the first one. You click on it, all right? And then once you actually click on it, it's going to say, all right, well, join the program, and you just, join the program. It's really easy, okay? Choose personal or company. Most people will be personal, right? You fill in all your details right here. You go to next. And then once you're done, you will actually get your affiliate link. It's going to be a unique link, right? Now, once you get this unique link, you basically promote it online. And we'll talk about some of the different ways that you can promote it in a second, right? But what you would do is once you promote that link, when somebody buys, you make a commission, okay? Now, the question is how much commissions do you make, okay? So let's take a look at the cost of buying NordVPN. If you're a customer and someone clicks on your link, and they can basically choose 3 different plans: the 1-month plan, the 1-year plan, and the 2-year plan, right? So the 1-month plan, that just means that they're going to be paying monthly every single month, all right? So let's say they join the Plus, because it's the most popular, right? In terms of features and costs and things like that, this is $13.99 per month, all right? Now, the affiliate program basically pays 100% commissions on the 1-month plan for a new sign up, and then 30% on renewals, okay? So that means that you sell it for the first month, you're going to get paid pretty much 100% commission. So let's just say $13.99 for the first month, and then every month that they stay a customer after that, you get paid 30%, which is roughly about $4.50. Okay, not too bad, not a huge amount of money, and we'll talk about this in a second on how to make more money, selling affiliate programs. But that's basically how they pay. In terms of commissions, it's pretty good. 100% upfront, 30% on renewals is pretty high for an affiliate product. Okay, now for the 1-year and 2-year plans, slightly lower because it's a 1 or 2-year plan. So let's just say it's a 1-year plan, right? Somebody buys upfront, but they actually spend $71.88 for the whole year. Okay, you get paid 40% commissions on that, right? So basically 40% of $71. All right. Let me see, what's that? 40%. $71 times 40%, that is $28. And then when they renew after the year is up, you get paid 30% on the renewal, so 30% on the $70. Okay, not too bad as well, right? It's better to sell monthly plans, honestly, but sometimes you can't. You don't know. Some people would choose 1-month plans. Some people would choose the yearly or 2-year plans. But either way, you get paid commissions, which is pretty cool. Not too bad here, right? So I think in terms of an affiliate program, it's very decent. I mean, 100% commissions is pretty rare for any affiliate program. So 100% commissions upfront, 30% on renewals. Pretty darn good, honestly, for any affiliate program, right? Now, they pay every single month to affiliates through PayPal. So once you get signed up in the background, once you sign up here, you can choose later on how to get paid out. They'll ask you for your PayPal details. You just fill it out there. Every single month, once you make sales, NordVPN will pay you out, on a monthly basis, okay? Now, here's the only problem with the affiliate program for NordVPN is they don't teach you how to become an affiliate, all right? So they have an affiliate program. That means you can come here, you can sign up. You don't even need to be a member of NordVPN, and you can start making money through the affiliate program. But the caveat here is that they don't teach you how to become an affiliate. That means that you need to learn how to market yourself. So what are some of the ways that you can market an affiliate program like NordVPN, okay? Now, if you are somebody that's already like an influencer, you've got a big following, maybe on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, maybe you have a tech channel, right? Maybe you've got a tech blog where you're talking about all sorts of tech stuff. It's actually very easy to promote an affiliate program like NordVPN because this is a tech product, right? It's a VPN you use for your internet connection so that people don't know where you're logging in from. They can't see what websites you're surfing on, right? So if you've got a tech blog or you have a tech audience on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, it's very easy. You just talk about a VPN, or you can say, this is the VPN I like to use, and you literally just drop your NordVPN affiliate link, people go through it, they click on it, they buy, and then you make a commission. Okay, so if you're already an influencer, you've got a following, it's very easy to kind of integrate this into your offerings, okay, into your content. But if you're a beginner and you're trying to sell affiliate programs from scratch, like NordVPN, you don't have a following, you don't have a tech blog, you're not an influencer in the tech space, then it's a little bit more difficult because basically you have to build it up from scratch, okay? Now, in that scenario, what I wouldn't do is I probably wouldn't pay for paid ads, because the problem is you're making very little money actually for every sale, right? So even though it is a pretty good affiliate program, right, the numbers here are very low. So you're only making, you know, $13.99 for every new customer. So that means that if you're doing paid advertising like Facebook ads or TikTok ads, you basically can only spend about $13.99 for every client that actually buys, which is pretty low. All right, you may be able to get profitable that way, but it's not that big a margin for you to play with. All right, because it might cost you more than $13.99 to acquire a new customer using paid advertising. So I would say that using a paid advertising approach is, it might be a little bit dicey because you don't have enough margin to play with. So what I would probably do is, if I was a beginner, is I would learn to create content around basically a niche or an industry. Okay, so not specifically VPNs per se. You could have a VPN channel if you want and talk about VPNs all day, or you could have some sort of tech channel where you talk about all sorts of different tech, and then you can just drop your links as you talk about a VPN topic, or maybe you create a video that's all about VPNs. Maybe you compare all the VPNs, and you can have an affiliate link for all the VPNs, honestly. And if your videos go viral, you generate views, people go through your stuff, they click on your links, and that's how you could potentially make money reselling the NordVPN affiliate program. Okay, so I think it's a pretty cool affiliate program to begin with. It's a little bit more difficult if you're a beginner, all right, because even though in terms of percentage wise they pay pretty well, like 100% and 30% on renewals, the actual price point for a VPN is pretty low. Okay, so if you want to make like $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month, it's pretty hard. But if you're looking to make like a few $100s a month, then that's something that's a little bit more realistic. Even if you're a beginner, you could get started promoting this on social media. You could start a blog, you could start a channel, many different ways to do it. But the important thing here is NordVPN is legit, it's global. In terms of percentage wise, they've got a pretty cool affiliate program that does pay, and you get paid via PayPal, which you can sign up in hundreds and hundreds of countries around the world, and it's a pretty cool way to start earning some money. So if you want to check it out, nordvpn.com/affiliate. Okay, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make big income online. If this is the first time that you're watching one of my videos on this channel, I review literally hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've tested so many, literally in the hundreds and thousands of different strategies. Some are great, some are so-so, some are really bad, to be honest, right? But out of all the good ones, there's one strategy that I used to completely change my life. I used it to 5 times my old corporate salary, and then I quit my corporate job and did it full time. If you want to check that strategy out, I actually review this step by step and give you basically, on exactly how I do it. And I've got a free masterclass that you can access if you want to check it out. Click the link right below this video to access that masterclass. I hope that you enjoyed this review of NordVPN. All the best to you, and I will see you on the next video review. Take care.